Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to dive deeper into my experience with Finzilo and talk specifically about some of the advanced trading tools that this platform offers. Since my first video, I've spent more time exploring Finzilo's features, and I have to say these tools have really improved my approach to trading. I'm looking forward to showing you the details, so let's jump right in. One of the standout features on Finzilo is its real-time data access. If you've been trading for a while, you know that having up-to-date market information is absolutely crucial. Price fluctuations can happen in a split second, and you want a platform that can keep up with those changes. With Finzilo, I get live price updates, so I'm constantly seeing the latest trends as they unfold. This real-time access has been a game changer, especially for quick trades or moments when you're trying to catch a trend early. There's no lag, and that alone has made a huge difference in my decision-making process. Beyond just the live data, Finzilo's advanced charting tools have been incredibly useful for me. The charts here are highly customizable, which is essential when you're looking to analyze a market thoroughly. Let me explain how I use them. Typically, I start by setting the time frame for the asset I'm interested in, whether that's short-term for intraday trading or a longer time frame if I'm planning a swing trade. This ability to switch easily between different time frames really lets me understand the broader trends as well as the finer price movements. I can also zoom in or out and adjust various settings on the chart to highlight specific trends or patterns. On top of that, Finzilo allows me to add indicators to these charts, which is huge. For example, I often use moving averages to smooth out price data and see where the market might be heading. Another favorite of mine is the Relative Strength Index, RSI. RSI helps me gauge whether an asset is potentially overbought or oversold, giving me clues on whether a reversal might be coming. Using indicators like these directly on the platform has made it much easier to plan my trades, since I can make quick adjustments without needing to switch between different tools or platforms. One of the features that I find particularly helpful is the ability to add trend lines and mark specific price levels. This might seem like a small thing, but for someone who relies on technical analysis, having these visual cues on the chart is incredibly useful. I mark support and resistance levels on most assets I'm tracking, and it's saved me a lot of time having everything right there, visually marked out. It's especially helpful when you're monitoring multiple assets and need a quick reminder of critical price zones without reanalyzing from scratch every time. Another thing that's been incredibly helpful is Finzilo's Trade Alert system. This feature lets me set alerts for specific price levels, which is a lifesaver, especially when I'm not able to constantly watch the charts. I can set alerts to notify me when an asset hits a certain price, crosses above or below a moving average, or even when it moves a certain percentage within a set time frame. I love this because it allows me to stay on top of my trades without being glued to the screen all day. When I get an alert, I can jump back into the platform, take a look at what's happening, and make an informed decision. Finzilo also has a feature that I think is really unique and valuable: their strategy builder and backtesting tools. For those of you who might not be familiar, backtesting allows you to test your trading strategies on historical data to see how they would have performed. This tool is incredibly powerful because it takes the guesswork out of strategy building. I've been able to experiment with various strategies, some focused on momentum trading, others on trend following, just to see which ones align best with the current market conditions. This has allowed me to approach trading with a lot more confidence, knowing that the strategies I'm using have been tested against real market data. One recent example where backtesting really helped me was when I was trying to develop a strategy for trading volatile assets like cryptocurrencies. Cryptos, as many of you know, can be wildly unpredictable, so I wanted a strategy that would allow me to capitalize on momentum without getting caught in sudden reversals. Using Finzilo's backtesting, I was able to tweak the strategy by adjusting parameters like stop-loss levels and position sizes, and the historical data showed me where my strategy needed fine-tuning. When I applied it to live trades, I had a much clearer roadmap of how to execute effectively. One last thing I want to mention is Finzilo's commitment to making all these tools accessible within a single platform. In the past, I've had to juggle between different software just to get the level of analysis I need. But with Finzilo, everything is integrated, which saves a ton of time and minimizes mistakes. There's no need to import data or switch between screens. All my analysis and trades happen in one place. Overall, I'm really impressed with the level of detail and control that these tools offer. They're intuitive to use, even for traders who might be newer to technical analysis. It's clear that Finzilo has put a lot of thought into designing a platform that's both powerful and user-friendly. For anyone serious about trading, these tools could be a significant asset, whether you're a day trader, a swing trader, or even a long-term investor. So that's my take on Finzilo's advanced tools. I hope this was helpful, and if there's anything specific you'd like me to cover in future videos, definitely let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.